Tribe. So today we're going to be practicing revolved side angle, or Parsvakonasana in Sanskrit, along with some different variations and modifications as well. So some of the benefits of practicing revolved side angle are increases in stamina and improved sense of balance. This pose also helps to strengthen the knees, legs, and ankles, along with stimulating the abdominal organs. So it's great for digestion also. It also helps to stretch the spine, the lungs, the chest, and the shoulders. So if you have a block available to you that you would like to use, we're going to go over a couple of modifications. So you can go ahead and grab that, and I will meet you back on your mat in a moment. Okay guys, so we're going to begin on the right side first, coming into our high lunge position. So stepping that right foot forward, facing the front of the mat, the left foot is going to come back, coming into alignment with our right heel. And we're going to come onto the ball of our left foot. Now I recommend, if this is the first couple of times practicing this pose, or if you're a beginner, using a block to begin with, especially if you have any kind of tightness in the spinal area or the lumbar spine. And what you're going to do is you're going to place that block right on the inner edge of that right foot. And then with your inhale, bringing that left hand, placing it on top of the block, and with your exhale, twisting the torso over towards the right side, and with one fluid movement, you're going to bring that right hand up and overhead. Now if you want to take this pose just a little bit farther, you're going to bring that left hand, placing it all the way down onto the mat, coming onto the inner edge of that right foot first. Twisting the torso over towards the right side with your exhale and bringing that right hand up and overhead. And you're going to hold here for about 3 to 5 breaths. Now, if you want to take this pose to the next level, which would be about a level 2 intermediate, I'm going to turn this way so you can see me just a little bit better. Coming into our high lunge on the right side first, bending at the knee. Now, to begin with, I recommend bringing that left knee all the way down towards the mat, and this will help you with your balance. Now, you have the option here to either bring your left hand to the outer edge of that right foot, twisting the torso over towards the right side, bringing that left shoulder all the way, resting it on top of that right thigh. So bringing left shoulder to right kneecap. And you're going to exhale, on your exhale, bringing that right hand up and overhead. Now, the second option is bringing your hands to heart center. Now, if you want to take this pose just a little bit farther, you're going to slowly begin to raise that left knee up off of the mat. Holding here for about 3 to 5 breaths. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side now. So, coming into our high lunge on the left side, we're going to step that left foot forward, coming onto the ball of our right foot, and then with our inhale, you can either place that right hand on the inner edge of that left foot, twisting the torso over towards the right side, and bringing that left hand up and overhead. Now the other option is to place that right hand on the outer edge of that left foot, and you have the option to either bring that knee all the way down towards the mat to help you with your balance, or you can slowly begin to raise that knee up off the mat. With your exhale, taking that left hand, bringing it up and overhead. Now, if you want to go into the full version, you're going to twist a little bit deeper all the way over towards the left side, bringing your hands to heart center. Holding here for about 3 to 5 breaths. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this week's poses and preps, and I'll see you again next week.